Last thing, global payments. So now you get your card. Yes, and of course, may pagkakatayo kayo po na ito, diba? And what's good for JCB is that the bank partners right here. We have BDO, Eastwest, and RCBC. So this is your chance now to apply for another credit card. Plus, a chance to win a free voucher ticket to the bank. How's that? Yes, and if I go offers come over, okay? You're also the company. Okay. The last one's the okay, okay, that's your card. Pag kuna-kuna pa tayo, nakakari tayo, nakapari tayo. Malay mo, papapasa kayo ka, and these are the tickets and guide to the event. Make sure to get them stamped at each booth you visit. Again, it must stamp within the boarding pass. If you already have a JCB credit card, congratulations. You can use it to spend at least 500 pesos anywhere here at SM City Cebu for a chance to win an exclusive JCB tote bag and JCB product